After Hurricane Ian and now Hurricane Nicole, a lot of trees to be cut. So there's one that it was cut. There's a second stump. Here's the third that was cut. Now the problem is how do I do this monster? The good thing is the branches are leaning to the left, so they kind of tend to want to fall to the left, so that'd be easy. Nice size trunk, but look at these roots. All these roots are exposed, so take it out by the roots. It should be interesting. So I got this 4-inch blade, kind of small for the job. And then I just got this brand new Sanjo branch trimmer. Eight-inch. The trouble with the 24-volt system, and this is on a 24-volt battery, is that you're never going to be able to take a branch like that with 2 sets of batteries. You're going to run out of energy before the branch comes down. Okay. Interesting project. Very, very interesting project. I think I need to think about this. I know the first branch is easy to take. The middle branch is easy to take down. The branch all the way to the right is easy. The one above it is nothing. That other branch, the one going up. Oh man, is that tall? Maybe too tall. Don't know. I think I'm gonna need more, so yeah, be a nice project.